In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your GoDaddy email on your iPhone. If you just created a professional email through GoDaddy and want to start using it directly from the Mail app on your iPhone, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple, easy-to-follow way. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Mail. Tap on Mail and then tap on Accounts. Here, you will see all the email accounts currently added to your iPhone. To add your GoDaddy email, tap on Add Account. From the list of email providers, choose Other, because GoDaddy is not listed among the default options. After tapping Other, select Add Mail Account. Now you'll see fields to enter your basic information. Type in your name, then enter your GoDaddy professional email address, followed by the password for that email. You can also add a short description if you want, but it's optional. Once you've entered everything, tap Next to continue. Now you will be taken to the screen where you must enter your incoming and outgoing mail server settings. This part is very important because incorrect details will prevent your email from working. For the incoming mail server, the host name should be imap.secureserver.net, and the username must be your full GoDaddy email address, along with the same password you used earlier. After filling that in, scroll down to the outgoing mail server section. The hostname here should be smtpout.secureserver.net, and again, the username will be your full GoDaddy email address, followed by your email password. Make sure everything is typed correctly with no spelling mistakes, as even a small error can cause verification to fail. Once all the fields are entered correctly, tap Next. Your iPhone will now verify the information, which may take a few moments. Just wait while the device checks the login credentials and server settings. When the verification is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. From here, simply tap Save in the top right corner. Your GoDaddy email account has now been successfully added to your iPhone. To make sure everything is working properly, open your Mail app and check your inbox. You can also send a test email to yourself or someone else. If both sending and receiving work normally, then your GoDaddy email is set up correctly.